China's Rail Sea intermodal trains have made 4,500 trips along the new international land sea trade corridor in the first 6 months of this year, completing the mid-year target. A cargo train carrying 100 grain-loaded containers departed from the Qinzhou port station in South China's Guangxi Zhuang Autonomous Region on Friday, marking the 4,500th trip. From January to June this year, the freight trains launched through the corridor carried 225,000 20-foot equivalent unit containers, an increase of 9% from the same period last year.
目前，我们粮食类集装箱平均每列货检时间已经由90分钟至120分钟降至40至60分钟，每列货检时间控制在1个小时以内，运输效率得到了有效的提升。柬埔寨大米、泰国香水椰、山竹、越南百香果、榴莲已经成为中国消费者餐桌上的常客，而重庆新能源汽车、宁夏红酒、广西螺蛳粉等特色产品也沿着西部陆海新通道源源不断地走向世界。
Launched in 2017, the new International Land Sea Trade Corridor is a trade and logistics passage jointly built by provincial-level regions in Western China and ASEAN members. The Rail Sea intermodal service has expanded to cover 61 cities in 17 provincial-level areas in China.